Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video ED and ING adjectives. Hola Miri learners, bienvenidos a este nuevo video. Yo soy Miriam y hoy vamos a ver las respuestas al video ED and ING adjectives. Let's start. Let's see first sentence. This weather is depressing for me. I don't want to go outside. Why depressing? Because the weather is not alive. It's not a person. It's not a feeling. So for things like weather, we are going to use ing. That ing is for permanent state. But you are going to say, the weather is not permanent, it can change. But no, with adjectives is different. Weather works here as a thing. So for things, we have to say ing. En esta frase, tenemos que utilizar depressing, terminado en ing. Porque para cosas como weather, vamos a usar ing. My dog was surprised when he received the bone. So how was my dog? Surprised? It was a temporary state. My dog is not always surprised. It's a feeling. Es una emoción. En esta frase, mi perro estaba sorprendido. Es un estado temporal, por lo tanto usaré ed. My job is very tiring. Next year, I'll probably change it. The quality of my job is permanent. So, is tiring. I was confused when you told me the bad news. Me, in that moment, I was confused, but I'm not always confused. Only that moment. So here we use ed. It's a temporary state. My little brother is not interested in languages. When we talk about someone, then we say interested, because here we are describing a feeling. My job rules are frustrating. Here we are describing the job rules, the quality. So the job rules are frustrating. This is not a feeling. These lessons are never boring. I love them. Lessons are a thing. So for things we are going to use boring. ing. Boring is the quality. My kid is interested in little cars. Here I use interested because it's a feeling. Last night's film was very frightening. I couldn't sleep. Here we are describing the film because the film was frightening. So here we are describing the quality of something. So we have to use ing. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.